Dito na po ang aking little garden. Look, it's giving refresh to each day. The natures. It's today I planted. Ang ganda guys ng mandarin. Ayan na siya. Yung dating maliit lang ngayon madami na sila. And this is my new plants. Welcome home, new plants. I just gave it today. I just made it today. Courtesy of Ate Christy. Look, so beautiful. And that's the piña. Small piña. And that is already 1 year old. Happy 1 year old. Looks green everything. Nilagyan ko siya ng stick kasi ano siya, natutumba. To support the body kasi hindi siya ganun ka-strong kasi yung roots niya is napipigilan. At least pag nasa lupa sila, mas strong yung kanilang stem. It's so nice. Nilagyan ko ng kulay yung aking egg. Diba? It's also 1 year old na siya.